Here we go, Anthony, December 21st. We are going to have a white Christmas.
We are not.
This is how deep it is. Anthony had to shovel us out of our doorway. Can you see? He had to shovel us a path out of here. And there's the babies. He had to shovel them out too because they were snowed in. Can you see? He had to dig them out too.
Yeah, it's up to my knees.
Yeah. There's Anthony showing us how deep it is out here. He did shoveling for me. He's a good kid. Here's your sign. See the kitties? Come on, guys, come out. Say hello. They're like, I don't like this. Oh, that wasn't very nice. Dig them back out.
Kitties.
Okay, you can go back in.
Okay.